Hey drone friends, this is Adam at UAV Coach and Drone Pilot Ground School. Happy Friday morning and welcome to our Drone Weekly News Roundup. If you couldn't tell, this is not the usual film setup because I am in Bali right now. I've been here the past 2 weeks exploring this beautiful island and all it has to offer. I've been experiencing a new culture, new food, new sights, and of course capturing some awesome drone footage along the way. I can't wait to share some of it with you soon, but until then, I have 3 stories to share with you this week. Our first story will cover the recent launch of the DJI Air 3. Our next story will discuss how NYPD is testing drones as emergency broadcast systems. And finally, we'll talk about how the US Air Force is continuing to partner with the Drone Racing League. Also, here are some job listings in the drone industry this week for anyone interested. First up, Eagle View is hiring a remote drone pilot operations associate. Parish of Ascension is looking for a drone pilot in Gonzales, Louisiana. Boeing has an opening for a deployable UAS operator in Bingen, Washington. And EDCO is seeking drone pilots in Shawnee, Oklahoma. With that said, let's fly in. It has finally arrived. The long-awaited DJI Air 3 is here and is packed with some awesome features I think you'll love. It comes with 2 lenses, a wide-angle camera, and a 3x medium to telephoto camera, with both shooting at 48 megapixels. It also has 46 minutes of flight time, improved connectivity with OcuSync 4, a brand new controller, and a brand new design resembling the recently released Mavic 3 and Mavic 3 Pro. The Air 3 costs $1,099 and possibly more depending on the package you get. Personally, this drone looks amazing and I can't wait to see the incredible footage that is taken with it. Our next story focuses on how the NYPD is testing drones that broadcast public safety warnings during emergencies. These messages include warnings about hazardous weather conditions or emergencies in the vicinity. The law enforcement agency tested its remote piloted public messaging capabilities on Sunday following weeks of heavy rain and flooding in the city. So it will be interesting to see how this goes and if other cities or states will follow along for similar situations. And finally, the Drone Racing League, or DRL, has renewed its partnership with the US Air Force, or USAF. The partnership serves as a reuniting mechanism for the Air Force, who uses it to bring in drone pilots. As part of the partnership, the upcoming 2023 and 24 season will feature a drone pilot sponsored by USAF, as well as drone pilots competing from a US Air Force Drone Racing League flight deck. USAF is DRL's longest running sponsor, as it first started sponsoring DRL way back in 2017. This is pretty cool to see how many different industries are being connected with drones. And before we wrap up, I wanted to let you know that we will decide a winner for July's Droney contest next week. Thank you again for all of the amazing submissions. All right, that's all we have for this week. As always, check out the links below to read more about each story. Also, show us some love by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. And now I'll pass it off to you. What do you think about the new Air 3, and what about the NYPD testing drones for public safety warnings? Comment down below, I'd love to hear your thoughts. I hope you all have a great weekend, and to all of our drone pilots out there, blue skies and safe flying from Bali.